Oh, Blue, it's raining really hard outside. We can't play with that kind of weather. We're gonna get sick. There's just so much water falling from the sky. And look, it's already flooded right there. How about this? Why don't we just play inside instead? What do you think? I'll even let you decide what we're gonna do. Have you decided what we're gonna do yet? Really? Tell us then. Come on, Blue, tell us. Do you know what this means?
Blue's Clues!
That's right! We're gonna play Blue's Clues because it's really fun! Yay! Come in! Oh hey Magenta! Do you wanna come play with us? Hi Miss Salt, hi Miss Pepper. How are you guys doing?
Hey Steve, we're good. How about you?
I'm doing great. Blue, Magenta, and I are actually playing. Do you guys wanna join us?
Oh Steve, I'm sorry but we can't.
We're busy preparing our lunch.
Yes, it's almost time to eat, so we really gotta hustle.
Do you guys hear that? Where's that coming from?
It's a clue! A clue!
What? A chew? Bless you.
No, it's a clue!
Oh, a clue. Where? Oh, over there. Our first clue. It's on the sink. You guys know what to do? We need our handy dandy notebook. That's right. So our first clue is a water droplet. Now, we just need 2 more clues and we're good to go. Blue, Magenta, where are you? I need to use the bathroom. Hey Blue, what are you doing in the bathroom? Wait, did you just leave a clue in the bathroom?
A clue! A clue!
What? A poo?
No! A clue!
Oh, a clue. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Our second clue. Blue left a clue on the
Pipe!
pipe. That's right. Now, do you know what this means? We need a handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. That's right. Our second clue is a pipe. OMG guys, do you know what this means? We only need 1 more clue before we are ready to sit down and think in our thinking chair. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go find our last clue. Blue, Magenta, where are you?
Steve, there's a clue!
What?
A clue!
A clue? Really? Where?
On the drum!
You're right! Our last clue. Now let's put it on our handy dandy notebook. Wait! We found our last clue. Do you know what this means? We are now ready to sit down on our
Thinking chair!
Now, what would Blue want to do when it's raining outside with a water droplet, a pipe, and a drum? So maybe Blue wants to put the water in the drum. And maybe use the pipes to mix the water and clean the drum?
No!
So that's a no again. Put the water in the drum, but what would she use the pipes for? So pipes are usually used to transport water from one place to another. So maybe she wants to use the pipe for the water droplets, which is the rain, for them to be transported and stored. But what would we call it?
Rainwater harvesting system!
That's right! Rainwater harvesting system! Brilliant! So, what are we waiting for? Let's go make our own rainwater harvesting system and help save water. And most importantly, don't let life slip down the drain and
Gain from rain!